Topic 1. The South Fork Wind Project represents the country's first commercial-scale offshore wind initiative, marking a pivotal step towards diversifying the nation's energy portfolio and enhancing sustainable energy practices. South Fork Wind is located 35 miles off the coast of Montauk, New York, and is the first commercial-scale offshore wind farm in the U.S., supplying power to 70,000 homes annually. The Biden administration aims to expand offshore wind capacity to 30 gigawatts by 2030, but the industry faces challenges due to rising interest rates and supply chain issues. Ørsted is developing multiple projects, including South Fork Wind, but some are on hold or need renegotiation due to cost increases. While offshore wind is a long-term investment and still in its early stages in the U.S., the industry is gradually growing, with increased investment and job creation expected. Boeing has experienced a significant financial impact due to a strike, with both the company and its workers facing a combined loss of $5 billion, suggesting major disruptions in the aerospace sector. Details: a month-long strike between Boeing and the International Association of Machinists has resulted in an estimated $5 billion loss for Boeing, according to Anderson Economic Group. The strike began when 33,000 workers at Boeing's Everett facility stopped working, nearly halting operations. The losses primarily affect Boeing's workers and shareholders, but suppliers and local businesses are also suffering. Boeing is consuming cash during the strike and may need to borrow or issue stock to continue operations. The company plans to lay off about 17,000 employees, representing 10% of its workforce, within months. Negotiations between Boeing and IAM have stalled, with both sides at an impasse, although IAM's president remains hopeful for a resolution. Topic 3. China is taking steps to enhance green finance, supporting environmentally sustainable investments and projects, aligning with global eco-friendly trends and reflecting China's commitment to sustainable development. Details: the Chinese government has announced guidelines for green finance development, focusing on key areas such as green development in important industries and ecological protection and restoration. The guidelines aim to improve the accuracy of financial support, enhance financial institutions' ability to provide green finance services, increase lending for green development, and promote innovation in green financial products for local ecological and environmental protection projects, carbon market development, and green consumption. The guidelines also emphasize establishing coordination mechanisms among various government agencies to ensure implementation. Topic 4. Florida homeowners are facing an insurance nightmare after consecutive hurricanes, highlighting issues of disaster preparedness and the adequacy of insurance in the face of increasing climate-related events. Details: Florida resident Bridget Bello, despite having flood insurance, hurricane-specific insurance, and standard homeowners insurance, is experiencing an insurance nightmare due to delays and denials of claims following Hurricanes Helene and Milton. The two hurricanes are classified as separate events, making it more likely for claims related to Milton to be denied if damage from Helene wasn't documented. Reforms in Florida have encouraged insurers to re-enter the market, but have left victims with limited legal recourse to challenge claim decisions. Most victims will face significant financial losses, as homeowners insurance typically does not cover flood damage. The complex damage from both hurricanes has created issues for claims, and many policies exclude damage from rain due to maintenance failures. Some victims see FEMA assistance as their only financial support option, but the National Flood Insurance Program only covers losses up to 50% of property value and does not provide temporary housing costs. New reforms,